To me, creativity is the highest expression of the human capacity. My motivation to study creativity started early on during my PhD studies at Goldsmiths with Professor Joydeep Bhattacharya, in which we investigated the neural correlates of learning.
Well, this particular study is about a very specific effect called mental fixation, which usually occurs when we apply our learned rules.
So in trying to apply these rules, we sometimes assume certain features of the reality and we fail to see or to think out of the box. Learning something means we can acquire and repeat what's already there, but creativity requires us to go beyond what we know already.
And in order to achieve that, we targeted a very specific brain region, that's the left dorsolateral prefrontal cortex.
When I'm trying to be creative and think out of the box, this region can get on the way because it's always going to try to apply the most well-known solutions.
So participants are asked to solve some problems before and after brain stimulation. So here we applied a very low amount of current in this prefrontal part of the brain. Then following the stimulation, we asked participants to solve these arithmetic tasks.
When we suppress this left dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, temporarily we get better in solving certain creative problems, but there is a serious cost. We also got worse in solving other problems that require higher cognitive resources. Maybe at certain stages, one has to temporarily suspend cognitive control, but the same cognitive control also is very relevant in other stages of creative problem solving.
If you think about the way we are looking at creativity here, it means we have to question our assumptions, because sometimes we take things for granted and we just assume that certain characteristics or features are right, but actually they don't necessarily need to be that way. And I think this helps us being more creative.